Okay guys, so we're catching all those beautiful fish with our culprit tiger nuts. We're also using the puhu garlic and gilge from the other rods, but this rod has been going all the time with the culprit. You can see we're putting one culprit tiger. We've got our newly launched 9235 hook there on a loop combi rig. So we have a fluorocarbon, we have braid, and I put little tungsten putty there just to bring it down. And that's our setup. Here we've got some monster mix and millibomb, that's it. And then when we drop it to the boat, we throw one hand of monster mix over it. Show you now another fish. Cheers. Running guys, come closer, show the reel there.
Still going. Still going.
Stop now. Stop.
Here's the fish. Yeah.